Hey everyone, this is Terry here again with my 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon build, and this is shipment day from Metalcloak. Well, not exactly. It took me a couple days to get this video up here, and I had to move the boxes in and out of the garage a few times. Learned I needed to get a mic so that way you could actually hear me all the way over there. So, you know, new to YouTube, hope you're enjoying these channels. Anyways, if you're like me, you're wondering how your shipment was going to arrive from Metalcloak. I wasn't sure if it was going to arrive in a crate and I was going to have to store it somewhere, but luckily everything is individually boxed. None of these boxes are too heavy. I can pick up and move these boxes around myself. Probably each box weighs less than my winch itself, which is, you know, if you bought your winch and move that around, that gives you an idea. Anyways, if you watched my last video, know, but as a recap, everything I've ordered here, it's 27 boxes in total from Metalcloak. It is the 3.5-inch true dual rate lift kit with the Rock Sport shocks. It is the full undercloak armor system with the, as well as the charcoal canister and vacuum canister relocation kits. It is the front and rear fenders as well as the side rails for the overland system, as well as front and rear bumpers as well. And so I'm gonna have quite a big install here coming up. Gonna have you help me decide on what I should do first here. So just giving you guys a closer view of all the boxes here. As I said, you know, this was 27 boxes. Most of the boxes came undamaged. There were a few, as you can see, this one here without it. We'll take a peek inside. You know, it had a little bit of damage to it, but no real scratches, maybe a little bit here on it. Everything came via FedEx. It actually came in 2 FedEx trucks, and there's the Jeep there behind it. So you can see, you know, if I reference how big this shipment was. So I'm gonna get out of this 100-degree weather back inside and move these boxes back in, and we're going to work on this when it's not so hot outside.